now we are going to see HTML iframes. HTML iframes. So what are HTML iframes? HTML iframe. An iframe element is used to display a web page within a web page. So for example, as we have another page, another HTML page, which is page1.html. If we want to display that page in this index page, what we can do is just define iframe, okay, and the source, you can, what is the name of our page, which is a page1.html. so page1.html. you see, I'm saying well, by default the border is 0. If you remove this property, the border will appear, and if you leave as it is, the frame border, which is 0, so it will not appear the border. You can also specify the width and height. Width, let's have a 300 by default is pixel, and height 200 pixel. Well, you will not see any difference, but if I remove the border, the property, we can see. You see, if I increase the, let's say, the height of 500 pixel, you see. So let's revert. This is how you can define iframe. Iframe is used to display a web page within a web page.